Good day, my fellow students. So I'm here to take chemistry this very moment. The topic is stoichiometry. Let me start from the definition of stoichiometry. Stoichiometry reaction deal with what? Chemical calculation based on the what? Elementary factors of matter. What do you mean by this statement? This statement means what? This stoichiometry the calculation is based on what? Chemical equation, balanced chemical equation. Take for examples. Example 1. The numbers of hydrogen ions in 9.8 grams of H2SO4. Let's look at the solution here. Solution H2SO4. H2SO4, the ionization equation gives us what? H plus what? SO4 2 minus. Let's balance the equation. 2 atoms of hydrogen here, we have just one, just make it 2 here. Then 1 atoms of sulfur, 1 atom. Sulfur is oxygen is 4, which means this equation is balanced. According to this equation, the mole ratio is what? 1:2:1. But from the equation, how do you want to get the ratio of this, the mole of this H2SO4? From the parameter given 9.8 grams of what? Of H2SO4, but mind you calculate what? The RMM of H2SO4. The RMM of H2SO4 is what? H2SO4. hydrogen is what? 2 times 1 times 2 is what? 2. Sulfur is what? 32. 32 times 1 is 32. Oxygen is what? 16. 16 times 4 is what? Plus 64. If you add up all this together, it will give us what? 98 grams per mole. That's what? The RMM of what? RMM of H2SO4. Then numbers of mole is equal to what? Mass over molar mass. The mass here given is what? 9.8. The molar mass calculated is what? 98. So if you calculate this one, it gives us what? 0.1 mole. So we'll now come back here. If 1 mole of H2SO4 ionized to give us what? 2 ion of H, then 0.1 mole will give us what? S. Now cross multiply. If you cross multiply, x now times 1 is equal to what? 2 times 0.1 is equal to what? 0.2. But don't forget, 1 mole, are you getting? Give us what? From Avogadro's constant, give us 6.02 times 10 to the power 23. Then now come down from what we have gotten here. 0.2 moles now give us what? S. If you cross multiply, now from our s times 1 is s. 0.2 times 6.02 times 10 to the power 23. Now later give us what? It's equal to 1.20 times 10 to the power 23 what? Ions. So the second question, consider the following reaction of the equation. This one is what? Ethane. So ethane is reacting with, is burning an oxygen to give us what? CO2 and water. Already we are already doing the what? Balanced chemical equation, which is what? C2H4 plus O2 going towards CO2 plus H2O. We have 3 here, we have 2 here, which means this equation is balanced. But we are given the volume of oxygen produced at STP that we require to burn 14 grams of ethane. It should be ethane is, but mind you, the mole ratio is what? 1:3. 1, the equation here is what? 1, 3, then 2 here, then 1. So, but we are given 14 grams of ethane. Also calculate what? Numbers of moles of what? Ethane. Ethane is called what? Mass over molar mass. The mass given is 14 grams. Then the molar mass of this is 18. Let's calculate it. Molar mass of carbon is 12. 12 times 2 is what? 24 plus the one of hydrogen is 1. 1 times 4, that is what? 4, which is what? 14 over 24 plus 4 is what? 28. So 14 here 1, 14 here 2. This 1 over 2 is what? 0.5 moles. Are you getting me? But coming here, 1 mole of this needs what? 3 moles. 1 mole of ethane. 1 mole of what? C2H4 react with what? 3 moles of what? Of O2. Then 0.5 moles of what? Of ethane, C2H4 will what? React with what? S moles of what? Of O2. So let me write the short form here. 1 reacts with 3, 0.5 what? React with what? S. If you cross multiply, 1 times S will give us what? S. 0.5 times 3, S now give what? 1.5 what? Moles. But they said at STP, 1 mole of any gas at STP. 1 mole of any gas at STP is what? 22.4 dm3. Just multiply this one straight with what? 22.4 dm3. So it's now what? S is equal to what? 22.4 dm3 times 1.5 mole. So the final answer will now give us what? 33.8 dmq. Thank you. So let's consider the third example. Listen to the question. If 6.5 grams of magnesium reborn reacts completely with hydrochloric acid, how many grams of hydrogen gas evolved will be liberated? So let's try the chemical equation. Mg, magnesium is reacting, mind you, magnesium is solid, reacting with what? Hydrochloric acid, giving us what? Magnesium chloride plus what? Hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas is what? Evolve. So from this equation, but mind you, the mass given is what? 6.5 gram of what? 6.5 gram of what? Of magnesium. We are not given the mass of this. We are not given the mass of this, but we are told to what? Calculate what? The mass of this. This, let's make it x. From the chemical equation, the molar mass of magnesium is what? 24 gram. While the one for hydrogen that we are asked to calculate is what? 1. But we have 2 atoms. That is what? Making 2. So from here, 6.5 gram of what? Magnesium reacts to give what? Just 24 gram of magnesium from the chemical equation react to give us what? 2 gram of hydrogen. But from the question, 6.5 gram of magnesium now react to what? To give us S, because we are told to what? We are told to calculate the what? Mass of the what? Hydrogen gas what? Evolve. You now cross multiply here. 24 times x is equal to what? 2 times 6.5. The 2 times 6.5 gives us what? 13, which means what? 24x. S will now be what? 13/24. The answer will now be what? 0.45 gram, which means the mass of hydrogen gas evolved is what? 0.45 gram. Thank you.